Musamseleku never love Mpilo the way he loves other kids. Look at Sneh. Sneh makes many mistakes in her life, but Musamseleku forgive her, and he gives Sneh money for food every month. But when it comes to Mpilo, he is refusing to have one ceremony for Mpilo because they are not getting along with Makhumalo. Musamseleku says Mpilo is Makhumalo's daughter. When we are not getting along with Makhumalo, it means that I can't have a ceremony for her. I don't understand, guys, why Musamseleku want to involve Mpilo in their issues. Maybe Mpilo refused to be on Musamseleku's side when they are not getting along with Makhumalo. Musamseleku was expecting that Mpilo is going to be on his side. How, guys? Because Musamseleku was the one who told Mpilo that we have to stand with Makhumalo, and even we have got a fight with Makhumalo, but stand with her no matter what. But now Musamseleku, he is forgetting his words, what he said to Mpilo. I don't understand. And Mpilo is a good child. Now Mpilo is now employed. She is working. Guys, Mpilo have got her own money. We didn't see Mpilo asking money to Musamseleku even one day, because Makhumalo was the one who taking care of Mpilo. Maybe Makhumalo was the one who forced Musamseleku to took Mpilo to her mother. Why Machele can't say anything about Mpilo's issues to Musamseleku? Because Musamseleku tolerate Machele. I don't understand. Because Machele was the one. We know that Musamseleku told Machele. Machele doesn't like Mpilo. If she like Mpilo as her daughter, is Musamseleku's daughter, you have to say to Musamseleku, if you have got issues with Makhumalo, but you have to do something to your daughter, as Mangwabe, what she was saying to Musamseleku. Why Machele one can't say it to Musamseleku? Because what I saw, Musamseleku tolerate Machele more than anyone, more than other wives. So Musamseleku says Mpilo is Makhumalo's daughter. Mpilo is recording it that my father doesn't like Makhumalo, and Mpilo saw it that my father was using Makhumalo. You understand it? You know, guys, a child can calculate the maths. That's why Mpilo's mother doesn't get married to Musamseleku. And Mpilo hates men, guys. Mpilo doesn't want to be in relationship most of the time because the way Musamseleku he is treating Makhumalo. And yeah, I think Makhumalo was the one who forced Musamseleku to took Mpilo to her mother. Because the way, you know that Musamseleku didn't even pay school fees for Mpilo. Makhumalo was the one, since Mpilo was staying with Makhumalo was the one who was paying Mpilo school fees. Make sure that Mpilo have got food when she was at school, on university. Everything is Makhumalo. You understand? What Musamseleku did to Mpilo, what Mpilo, she can point that my father did this to me, nothing. Because Musamseleku can't count that Makhumalo was doing those things because she is doing it on behalf of Musamseleku. It doesn't make any sense. You understand? Because Mpilo count that Makhumalo did send me to school, everything. It's Makhumalo, guys. Everything Mpilo she had now in her life is Makhumalo. You understand? Mpilo, she can't point even one thing Musamseleku did to her that she can say Musamseleku did one of the things to in my life. Musamseleku did nothing. You understand? Mpilo saw Musamseleku using Makhumalo. Makhumalo was used by Musamseleku in front of Mpilo. Mpilo knows everything, guys. The way, you know that when you are treating, especially you say Mpilo is Makhumalo's mother, and Mpilo saw Musamseleku is trying to fix things with Mangwabe, try to fix things with Mayeni. Why my father didn't want to fix things with Makhumalo? You know that a child can ask herself, and that child, Mpilo, will end up being bitter one day. You saw Mpilo, she is being bitter. You understand it? Musamseleku is trying by all his means to make Sneh to be a better person. Musamseleku always crying that Sneh have to change her behavior. Why he can't put his effort to Mpilo? When it comes to Mpilo, Musamseleku didn't put his effort in her life since Makhumalo took Mpilo, because Guys, Mpilo's mother have to thank Makumalo because Mpilo where she is now because of Makumalo, not from Samseleku.